Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kylie. So today's video is going to be kind of like an Nabisco inspired video, which basically I'm making like a gift basket for my best friend McKenna, and it's basically called Sunshine in a Box. I've seen it on Pinterest, I've seen it on VSCO. I wanted to recreate it for her birthday, for her 16th birthday. So it's kind of like car themed, and it's just a ton of yellow items in a box, so it's kind of like sunshine in a box. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made one for McKenna, my best friend. And let's get on into this video. I just went to the store and I picked up a ton of yellow items, and I'm gonna go to Target tomorrow as well and get even more. I'll show you guys what I got. I got some decorations and some stuff actually to put in the box. I also got these flip-flops too. I don't even know if she'll wear them, but they're kind of more just for decoration, but if she wants to wear them too, that would also be great. But I don't even know if they're her size. I'm kind of looking at them and they look really big, and they also have like some marks on them, which is really annoying. I got some yellow paper, so I'm gonna put that on it and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay, up to the box, it looks like this now. I just added a little bit of this. It's actually just some washi tape, and I decided to use this one because it has some like yellow flowers on it. I feel like it does kind of take away from the yellow a little bit, but it will be fine once I add all the yellow stuff inside. So now it's finally time for a haul of everything that I got today, and I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow and get even more yellow stuff. I got some flip-flops, and then some of these glow-in-the-dark bracelets. I got some decorations as well, like this little what is this even called? A ribbon bow. I was gonna put on one of the flaps, but then I decided to cut those off, so I may just like put it on the front or something. I got some of the decorative shred sunflowers I thought were cute. I got a little bubble wand. Got a ton of candy and food. I got a ton of candy, but I got Lay's because like Lay's are always good. I got ring pops, peanut M&Ms, Swedish fish. My friend used to eat those like back in 2nd grade. Juicy fruit because I know she likes juicy fruit, so there's some juicy fruit. This is a joke. This is just some toilet spray, and it was yellow, so I was like, I'll get it. It's in fresh citrus scent. These are a little bit pink, but they're Starburst, but they're all pink. Like, that is so amazing. I should have got one for myself because, and it also matches my pink nails a little bit. These are for decoration. I don't know, I just got Minions because they're kind of cute. And then I just got this card, and it just says life is sweet. Whoops. And it's the yellow, like, see the yellow card. I got some highlighters. I don't really know why. I kind of just picked up some fun things. Carmex because, you know, like, why not? And Emma Chamberlain vibes, you know. I got a little sticky notepad. I got some ribbon to tie around things. I got some silly string because it's always the best. I got this candle, which this is so cute. This is a sea salt pineapple. Whoops. Oh, sorry. This is a sea salt pineapple. It smells so good. I got this too. It's really cute. She can use it for like rings or whatever she wants. I don't know. I would use it for rings. I think it's so cute. And then I just got these for decoration around the box. But these are just some little rubber duckies that are so cute. So I'm going to start decorating, and I'll show you guys where I'm at after. Hey everybody, so it's been a while. I literally have like different nails and stuff, and they're really grown out, so don't mind them, but I finished decorating the box, and I also went to Target and grabbed a couple more things. I went to Target and I grabbed this sparkling ice right here, and I grabbed just some of these little trees since she's turning 16, so she gets a car, and these are like car fresheners, and I just got the Bayside Breeze scent. These are yellow, so I thought they'd be perfect. And then the ice is also yellow. It's coconut pineapple, so it's perfect, and I love how it turned out. I put the little flowers right here in the bow on the front. I think it looks so cute. I put most of the food in the bigger things right here, so they're kind of, you can see everything. But I'm gonna do one last thing to the box. I apologize for my nails, but my aunt gave me these for my birthday. And like this little, it was super cute. It was like this like car. So I'm gonna put these in here. I know they aren't yellow, well this one is, but they're just like little road signs, and I think they're perfect because she takes her driver's test in like 2 days, and she's turning 16. So I'm just gonna put them in the back, and I'll show you guys the final result. Here we go. Here's the final result. I think it looks so cute, and McKenna's gonna love it. So it's for my best friend McKenna. This was for her 16th birthday, so I need to go give it to her. I think it's so cute, and it was so fun to make. Here's the side with the little Minions on it, remember? I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and let me know down below if you guys enjoyed it. And make sure to subscribe to help me get to 5K. And back to school videos are coming up. Don't worry, I'm going to do like a first day of school video and some other videos. It's almost the end of July, so back to school videos will be coming in August. I'm so excited, you guys. I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fun DIY video. I don't do many DIYs on my channel, but I really like this one and I wanted to kind of film me making it. So if you guys recreate it, let me know. You can comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram is simplykai with 2 E's, so make sure to go follow me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.